But there she is, mate. She's all in there. So I've got some little bits there as well, mate.
Nice. Things I do for bikes.
Things I do for you. It is so cold that I've even got a blanket on my lap.
It's really good. 3 degrees right now.
3 degrees. Oh my god, it's so cold.
So about 3 weeks ago, I got a message on TikTok from a gentleman asking whether I would be interested in buying another motorcycle. Now at the time I wasn't sure if I wanted another bike because I still got the Phaser that I need to finish up. However, after a little bit of research, I realized that this bike used to be one of the fastest bikes in the world. So I couldn't resist. So here we are, 5 minutes away, and we're about to go and have a look. The gentleman was really nice to actually meet us halfway. So we drove for about 2 hours ish. So let's see what we're about to buy. Meet Richard, an absolute legend and also one of my subscribers. Richard messaged me on TikTok asking if I'd be interested in his 2003 Kawasaki Zx12R. After doing a bit of research and a bit of back and forth with him, I decided to take the leap. So we arranged to meet at this random petrol station, and that's where I decided to buy the bike. Despite a few minor scrapes and a broken indicators, this 22-year-old Kawasaki stands out with only 2,000 miles on the clock. Remarkably rare find, especially considering that even models with 9,000 miles are considered uncommon. The deal's done, which is get the paperwork, and now we are gonna drive back home. So, shall we have a history lesson?
Yeah, on the way home.
History lesson.
Okay.
Let's
Sounds
go.
good.
The Kawasaki Ninja ZX12R, produced from 2000 to 2006, was Kawasaki's flagship sports bike, designed to rival the Suzuki Hayabusa in the race for the world's fastest production motorcycle. In 2001, a gentleman's agreement amongst manufacturers led to the implementation of an electronic speed limiter capping the top speed to approximately 186 miles an hour. Despite minor updates, the ZX12R maintained its reputation for exceptional performance and handling. Its 1.2 inline-4 engine combined with a unique aluminum monocoque frame delivered a balance of power and agility. Although the ZX12R was discontinued in 2006, it remains celebrated model amongst motorcycle enthusiasts, known for its blend of speed, innovation and distinctive design. And here she is, in her full glory. Now, you can already probably see some of the obvious damage, which is right here. But this side is actually pretty good. However, it does have a few issues, which is some scratches right here. There's a little crack here on top fairing, which is annoying, he basically said it was really annoying because this whole piece was replaced completely. And he already once replaced it, so now we're gonna have to try and fix that again. This bike is a category S, I believe, because the first owner back in 2003, I believe, has actually dropped the bike whilst riding it. And he twisted this part of the frame, I believe. So the whole bike, this whole piece was kind of like this, I'm assuming. So the previous owner has decided to replace this whole piece and threw it through the MOT and passed the MOT. Fast forward a few 20 odd years to the present day, and now it's sitting here. So hopefully we can give it a second life. But first, the battery is actually completely dead, and obviously due to it being sitting around for too long. So what we'll have to do is basically put a jump pack on this, and I'm pretty sure there's no fuel in this either. So we're gonna have to get some fresh fuel into the bike and then see if it runs. All right, so let's have a look. I don't hear anything. Luckily, I got some fresh fuel, so let's put that in. Okay, I'm not going to take the battery out just yet. I just want to, like I said, I just want to hear it. So what I'm going to do is literally... What's that? Okay. I'm literally just going to pull the connectors out. and connect straight to it and just give it some power, and hopefully that will work. So let's connect to that. Okay. All right, well that that works. Looks promising already. Look at that. 2,366 miles. That's crazy. But first, we can't start it yet. We have to do one last thing. I don't know about you, but I like my bikes loud. So this has got to go. And it's not going back on unless I sell it. I got my microphone right there for maximum pleasure. Here we go. I'm hoping I don't have to hold the clutch on this one. So that's off. Okay, let's try the brake. We go quick in. All the indicators and everything. After some fault finding, I noticed that there is an earth terminal on the battery housing and a disconnected cable next to it. Since the battery was already disconnected when I got it, I quickly reconnected the cable and gave it another try. Let's try again. Oh, there's something. I don't think I've got enough juice. Let me get another start pack. It's gonna work, it's gonna work. Okay, let's see. Oh, I can hear the pump going.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
Come on, baby.
What's the procedure? Stay calm.
Come on. That made me really happy. What a machine! This is, I love this thing so much. Anyway, got work to do. Okay, so after that success, I'm gonna have to take this panel off and the front nose cone the front nose cone off. I'm gonna have to get it painted. Also, I'm gonna have to get these new indicators. I don't really know what happened. Maybe because it's been sitting for such a long time. It looks like this rubber part has perished, but there's no plastic in it, so it's weird that it would just be holding on that. Don't know. We'll see. Anyway, this side looks pretty good. Apart from this right here, apart from this, don't really know what happened there. I might be able to save that. I may not. If it's gone too deep, it looks like it's chipped and somebody tried to fix that in the past. Side covers, maybe I need to change them. We'll see. I might see if I can get them Cerakoted. There is a company local to me which can do that. And then, yeah, so the whole thing just needs a good deep clean, which I'm gonna start off by taking stuff off and then assessing every part and see what needs cleaning and see what I can get with just restoring here. Anything else will just get sent off. I've also noticed it's got this oiler thing here, which connects, I'm not quite sure where just yet, but I don't like the look of this stuff. So I'm gonna figure a way out to get this off and then clean up this whole part. Mainly, the reason I don't like it is because in the past, I've had it on a bike, or actually my friend had it on a bike, and we've noticed that the wheel just gets absolutely caked in oil. Some people like it, some people don't. I'm not biggest fan, so I'm gonna take it off because I'm gonna try and keep this thing original. The original plan was to just completely restore it, but to be honest, it really doesn't need to. But I think this is where we're gonna end the video. Let me know what you think about the bike down in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.